Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to take partials right here in Phemex. And with that I mean that if I created a nice order on, let's say, Bitcoin right here, for example, I want to close maybe 50% of that trade. I don't want to close the complete trade. So then I will take partials from that trade. So what we're going to do is I already have a nice order standing right here, and I want to close this order for 60%. Then what we're going to do is we click here on market, and then you see right here a button. Now we can fill in the price that we want to do, but we can also throw this button right here to this position where we can take our partials. But what you see right here is the minimum that we need to pay out is $66. I don't know why that is a minimum that they set. So we throw this a little bit more up. And to be honest, the only thing that we can do right here is a complete close order. So normally when you are having right here a position for more than $200, you can close it on this way. But right now I'm using a mock trading account. So the only that I can close is $66. But this is the timeline or the bar where you need to be to take your partials. So if you click right here on close long, we can take our partials right here. But let's create a maybe bigger order. So let's create an order of $500 and I want to take partials right here. You see right here that we can close the position. So now if you click here on close, we take partials like 53% of it, and this is how you can take partials right here in Phemex. So keep that minimum price in your mind. I don't know why that is, but they put a minimum price to that. And this is what you need to know to take partials. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.